Hi and welcome to the ResFeed.com affiliate program. In this vid, we're just going to give you a quick overview of how all your affiliate widgets work, what you can do with them, and some of the innovative ways you can use them to promote your fellow tourism operators. So you should have received a spreadsheet that looks very similar to this. This is our one for Smugglers on the Beach. You'll see here's all our different businesses to promote, and here's all their different widgets. Now, what I've also done is I've put in another column for you for your bit.ly links. Now, it's up to you to create these, and I've just put one in here that I've created for the Coffs Coast Cycling Tours just for the purpose of this demonstration. Now, as you can see, the widgets are basically a URL and they are quite long. So it is good to shorten them. Please don't alter them. If you do alter these or alter the codes in these, there's a chance either they won't work or they may not track correctly, which means you won't get attributed the booking that you've sent through and therefore won't get your commission. So it's very important you do not alter these widgets. However, you can shorten them using Bitly or something similar such as tinyURL. Looking at your widgets, you'll see at the top you've got the multi-accommodation widget and you've also got the multi-service widget. Now these two widgets function differently to all your other widgets. All these other widgets are individual widgets specifically for these businesses. The multi-widgets will generally cover all the tourism businesses in your area. So if we have a quick look to see how the widgets function, you literally just have to copy and paste them into a website. So we'll do that now. Now this is the multi-accommodation widget. Now what the multi-accommodation widget allows you to do is to put a search function in your site so people can look for and search accommodation. And you can see here that'll pop up with all the different available accommodation in the area. So if you're a tour provider and you want to also have accommodation on your website, this is a great tool to do it. At the moment, we've just got Smugglers and a few other places loaded in, but as more and more places come on board, they will be added to this automatically. Okay, so that's your multi-accommodation widget. So great tool for promoting accommodation through your website, social media, or anything else. Now, we also have the multi-service widget. So what this is this is all the tours in your area. So if I paste this one in, you'll see this will pop up and you can search by date. And so this is important to make sure you can find everything that's available. So you'll see here, this will search all the different tours in your area. And it's basically a way, if you want to put the one link in that shows all the different places, all the different tours and attractions in your area. And you can do that from just one link. So it's very easy to install on your site. You'll see here, if I click on more information on any of the particular providers, it brings up all the info so people can go through and book whatever they would like to book for that item. And if they want to have a look at more stuff, they can just go back. So you can use this in conjunction with the individual widgets. You can use it instead of, or you can just use the individual widgets. It's totally up to you how you want to use it and what works best for your site. Okay, so looking at the individual widgets, you can see we've got all our individual operators here. And if I just have a look at, I'll take the Coffs Skydivers one. And so I can literally just copy that and paste this into a website and that will pop up. And this is exactly what the guests see. So when you install this into your site, the guests will see basically exactly this. Now I'll just give you a quick overview on a few ways you can use it. So on our website with Smugglers on the Beach, I've created a things to do page. Now I've set it up as a blog post. Now I just use a WordPress plugin called Essential Grid. If you just Google it, you should find that one. It only costs about $25, $30. And you can plug this into your site to have it laid out quite well if you're using WordPress. Now what I do is I plug the widgets in, I have them on the picture. So you can click book now from here. I've got it so it opens in its own page so they're not navigating away from the site. And you can see here people can then go in and book a canoe tour, or I provide more information. So for people who want to know more about anything, and I have another booking link on that site, which once again takes them into all the booking information, in this case for the canoes. So that's one way to use it. You can use them on social media. Here's one I just did 5 minutes ago. So we've just had Coffs Coast Cycle Tours come on board. And you can see I've put a little post in here. This is on our Smugglers Facebook page. Now people can actually make a booking inquiry direct from the Facebook page. So it's as simple as them clicking on that, and that'll load up the inquiry page for Coffs Coast Cycle Tours. And you can see here that we're still on the Smugglers Facebook page, so they haven't navigated away. I've had it open in a new window, and you can see here I've used a shortened URL. So this is the URL I've used. I'll show you later in another video how to shorten your URLs, but it's really quite easy using Bitly, and this is what I use here. So very simple to use. It's free to sign up, and you can shorten your URLs so you don't have these big long URL codes. So you can see here with this one, the Coffs Coast Cycling Tours went from something very long down to something much shorter. And when you're posting on things like social media, it's quite good to use the shortened links. On our website, I tend to just use the original links because it doesn't matter so much because I'm plugging it into the back of a button. However, if you were to be putting links or text links on your site, it might be better to use an abbreviated form. There's also plenty of other ways you can use the widgets, but that's just a quick overview to show you how you can use them. Hopefully you can get stuck in and start setting them up, get them set up on your site, start promoting them on social media. We also use them in all our confirmation emails and emails that go out to guests to let them know what they can see and do, and a lot of our marketing emails as well. So basically you can use these widgets. They are technically a URL link. So anywhere you can put a web link or a URL link, you can use these widgets, and it will allow people to book directly from where you plug them in. So great little tool, very simple to use. Feel free to shoot me an email or give me a call if you have any questions. But lots of good online resources as well. So check out our support section and our help section of resfeed.com. And thank you for coming on board, and we look forward to working with you.